Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the 11th video in this series, Dimension Reduction. Demonstrate how you will identify multicollinearity pattern. First, we load the required packages and read in the serials data set under the name serials and import pandas SPD. We will discuss this line in this second video. Please watch my playlist. Import states model APIs SM. Import states model states outliers influence as INF serials PD read CSV serial CSV. Once the dataset is in Python, pull out the three predictor variables and put them in their own data frame. Call the data frame X. Now that we have the predictors variables all together, use the scatter matrix command with X as the input to create a scatter plot matrix. The result of the scatter matrix command is shown. Notice that the command creates both scatter plots and histograms. To obtain the VIF values, we need to do a little data cleaning first. Use the dropna command on the X data frame to remove any records with missing values. Then make sure you add the constant term in the X data frame. Finally, run the variance inflation factor command is given below to obtain the VIF values. हम इसको रन करेंगे तो हमारे पास VIF values obtain होगी for all four columns in the X data frame. And this is how to execute. The output will include a VIF value for the constant term we added ignored. The VIF values of interest are for the three predictors variables which are the second, third and fourth numbers output by the variance inflation factors command. And next subparts is demonstrate how you all apply principal components analysis using R in Python. Load the required packages, import pandas SPD, import numpy as an NP from Skylon. Pre-processing we will discuss in this line in our previous videos. Please go and watch. Pre-processing import standard scalar from Skylon decomposition import PCA, and this is how to this data so. Read in the two datasets clothing store PCA training and clothing store PCA test as clothes trend and clothes test. Clothes trend, and this is code. Separate the predictor variables from the rest of the training dataset using the drop command. हम separate कर सकते हैं predictors variable को using drop data command. Note that we drop the target variable sales per visit, so we are left with only the predictor variables. This approach is best suitable for when the target variables and predictors variables interested are the only variables in your data. Save the variables as X close trend drop. Obtain the correlations matrix of the X variable by using the core command. The output from the core command is shown in figure. Now we will run PCA with 5 components. First we will specify the number of components using n components in the PCA. Commands then feed the PCA to the data using feed transfer with X as the input. And this is how to execute. Once PC is done, our next task is to look at the amount of variability explained by each component and the corresponding cumulative variability explained. Use this code object and explain variance ratio to obtain the variability explained by each component and how to execute. Thank you. Please watch my video, like, share and subscribe.